Hello students, our today's topic is cost center. So our first step is activate cost of sales accounting. Cost center is an organizational unit within a controlling area that represents the location where the costs are incurred inside the organization. The company management use cost centers for a process-oriented view of financial data. A cost center in controlling stores the data information just like a general ledger account in finance. Cost center captures the plan or actual cost of an organization as per department, product, person, etc. And revenue posting to them are always statistical. It provides a clear and precise view of the activities provided in an organization and its related cost. A cost center category classifies cost centers accounting to their usage or origin. There is one-to-one relationship between a cost center and a company code. A cost center derives its currency from the company code. A cost center can have an address and communication data. Functional area. What do you mean by the functional area? An organization unit in financial accounting that classifies the expenses and organization by functions such as administration, sales and distribution, production, marketing, research and development. The classification by functional area is used to meet the needs of cost of sales accounting. In other words, the recommended organizational unit or cost of sales accounting is functional area. For activating cost of sales accounting, path is SAP Easy Access, Financial Accounting Global Settings, functional area for cost of sales accounting and activate cost of sales accounting. तो प्रैक्टिकली हम देखते हैं सैप में कि हम कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स एक्टिवेट कैसे कर सकते हैं. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, next Financial Accounting Global Settings, functional area, and activate cost of sales accounting for. Double click on it. Now click on position, enter your company code and make a status active and then click on save button. Substitution for finance component event 005 not yet activate. Okay. Press enter. Click on create request button and enter your description. Activate cost of sales accounting. Now click on save button and then click on continue button and come.